As Land Rover prepares to debut the all-electric Range Rover this year, we take you through what's been revealed and our expectations from the future flagship. Before we go further, ensure that you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay on top of the latest electric SUVs. The design of the Range Rover EV will retain the familiar look, with designers incorporating subtle styling cues hinting at its all-electric drive. As seen in our rendering, the Range Rover Electric will have a softly modified grille with horizontal slots in a rose gold and copper finish. Stylists have also redesigned the wheels to include sharp spokes and an EV inscription on the hubcap. The revised parts would undoubtedly be designed with aerodynamics in mind as well. The other visible change would be the charging door, which slides backwards, revealing an illuminated charge port. We're also fairly certain about an EV badge on the tailgate, rounding up the exterior differences. Moving to the interior, the pure electric Range Rover is expected to retain the 13.1-inch curved floating glass touchscreen with haptic feedback and the 13.7-inch digital instrument cluster, with updated software and special menus for the electric drive. Likewise, features that should be retained from the gas model is expected to include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 1600-watt Meridian signature sound system, rear seat entertainment with 11.4-inch HD touchscreens featuring HDMI ports, head-up display, and Amazon Alexa integration. Land Rover says the electric model would be the quietest and most refined Range Rover in history, with unique active road noise cancellation, sound design, and enhanced cabin comfort. Moving to the specifications, Land Rover has confirmed that the all-electric version would have performance comparable to that of a Range Rover V8 model. We expect it to be the most powerful and torquey variant in the family, generating at least 650 horsepower and around 650 pound-feet of torque. Despite its considerable weight, it should be the quickest Range Rover on sale, taking well under 4 seconds to go from 0 to 60. The all-electric version will also retain certain capabilities of the regular model, including a weighting depth of 850 millimeters. The company has also promised towing and all-terrain capabilities to be best in their class. The Range Rover Electric should excel off-road, thanks to better weight distribution, higher ground clearance, and additional torque vectoring from the responsive electric powertrain. And talking about the powertrain, Land Rover has confirmed an 800-volt electrical architecture for its SUV. We're expecting DC fast charging to take the battery from 10 to 80% charge in approximately half an hour. Speaking of range, we expect the Range Rover EV to do around 300 miles on a full charge. While further details will be confirmed during its debut later this year, we expect the Range Rover EV to start at around $130,000. Land Rover will begin customer deliveries in early 2025, with availability expected to be limited initially. If you are interested in high-performance 3-row electric SUVs, be sure to check out our video of the upcoming Kia EV9 GT that's shown above.